This video aims to explain the functionality of the Chat with Human and Chat with Robot features. These features enable our users to receive an automatic reply after clicking the Chat with Human button. Simultaneously, the page administrator will receive an email reminder indicating that a subscriber has clicked the Chat with Human button, prompting a response. To configure this feature, we can access the Bot Manager and select General Settings to enter the administrator's email. Consequently, when a user clicks the Chat with Human button, they will receive an email notification. It is crucial to note that if we want to use this feature, subsequent clicks on other buttons or the input of keywords by the subscriber who initially clicked the Chat with Human button will not trigger an automatic reply. Let's assume I am a subscriber who clicked the Chat with Human button. If I enter other keywords or click other buttons, the automatic reply will cease. So, how can we restore the automatic reply for this subscriber? In this case, the page administrator must revisit the subscriber manager, access the subscriber profile of the individual who clicked the Chat with Human button, and click on Resume Bot Reply. Once clicked, if the subscriber clicks any other button or enters a keyword, the automatic reply will be reinstated. Another method to restore the automatic reply is for the subscriber to click the Resume Chat with Bot button. After doing so, if the subscriber enters other keywords or clicks other buttons, the automatic reply will be restored. However, if the subscriber hasn't clicked the Resume Chat with Bot button, or the page administrator hasn't clicked Resume Bot Reply in the subscriber profile, the automatic reply won't be restored. If you find that this doesn't align with your automatic reply flow, you have the option to disregard the Chat with Human function and allow users to directly enter their questions or create a direct connection to WhatsApp. In this case, you can include the WhatsApp connection link in your automatic reply. To do this, select the button type as web URL for the WhatsApp connection and provide the WhatsApp link in the web URL field. By doing so, anyone who wishes to engage in a chat with a human can click the link and directly connect to customer service. That's one approach to consider. If you want to understand how to set up the Chat with Human and Chat with Robot features, you can access the button in our response flow and select button type as Chat with Human. Once selected, you can configure the content. You can find the Chat with Human and Chat with Robot options in the Action button settings within our Bot Manager. By clicking on the Chat with Human template, you can directly set up the reply content that will be displayed when a user clicks the Chat with Human button. The same applies when selecting button type as Chat with Robot in the response flow, where you must configure the reply content for the Chat with Robot option in the Action button settings. That concludes the tutorial video on the Chat with Human and Chat with Robot features.